Hi guys, today I will show you how to get a ticket with REST API in Alfresco 5.2 ECM. So, to do this, let's go on browser and we have to digit the IP address of our Alfresco server and the port on Alfresco repository and Alfresco web script home. We have to digit the administration password and username, go to browse all web script and find log in. Okay, we can do the login with two REST API, a GET and a POST. So this is the API that today we will use. Okay, to test this API we can open a web client. In my case I have Postman. Okay. Well, I will try the get. So we have to choose the method of our REST API. So the get. We have to take this API, so the get, and copy all the path. We have to insert the IP address of Alfresco server and the port and the API. Okay, so now we have to insert our username as U, in my case admin, because now I am with the administration account, so I will try to get a ticket with the administration account. Okay, password, in my case admin. Okay, so this is a complete REST API to get the ticket with the username and the password. And now we'll try send. So now we can see the response in XML by Alfresco, and this is the ticket. Another way to do this call is with a post method. So we can open another tab. We have to choose post. Let's go on Alfresco and search login post. This is the API. We have to copy the path and insert Alfresco IP, Alfresco port, the API. So now we have to choose body, row, change text with JSON. The first param is username and the second param in the key of the JSON is password. Okay, so username, password, my username is admin and the password is admin. And now we'll check. Send. This is the response by Alfresco. We have the same ticket of the get. Okay? You can try with other account or other user, and so the result is the same. So thank you for watching, and subscribe.